In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Index Keyboard. Finally, after tapping on Themes section, tap on the best one for you and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and choose Create Theme at the top. Then manage all of those options however you want to. And tap on background image at the top. Then use one of those photo sources and tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard background. Then adjust it, hit finish and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!